Hi, this is Marjory Wildcraft with Lynn Gillespie, and this is Adventures, Serious Adventures in High Performance Gardening. And actually things are going really well so far, so we're like lucky, but I did see some grass down there matted down. I think that actually the deer are still sleeping in my backyard.
Oh, it's a good thing you got the fence.
But well, no, that fence wouldn't do anything for deer. I've been covering this every night, so I think I really have to close the front gate. I've got to get serious about that.
Yeah,
so,
keep them out.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Cool.
Anyway, we'll see. So it's going good.
Yeah. So I brought you something. I brought your bag
Good
back.
enough present. See, I hope it's not the gold boots. Like I really don't want
the
them.
gold. Wow, this is the magic boots.
The magic. All right, I'm excited.
All right.
Okay. What do you think it is? Oh yes, totally. Yep. Thank you so much, Lynn. Ta-da!
It is the greatest tool for pitting cherries, and I looked at your
That's so
trees,
cool.
all 20 or 30 of them.
Well, they're not quite that many, but there's.
Are so loaded with cherries.
This year is going to be one heck.
And when we want to dehydrate, we want to pop those pits out.
Yeah.
So Jenny and I got one too. We'll come over and we'll run our pitters and get all that dehydrated.
You know, I'm starting to do the research on a freeze dryer. I'm kind of like been lusting after a freeze dryer.
And we want pits out for that too.
Yeah, well, yeah, right? Well, I happen to have a gift for you too, and the reason why I'm giving Lynn gifts is because, believe it or not, I'm leaving this afternoon and I will be gone for more than a week because, oh my God, Wells Fargo shut my bank account down for the Grow Network, and I'm still trying. My accountant, don't tell anybody. I hope she's not watching, but she is batshit crazy, and I have got to get another accountant. So anyway, but I'm going to be gone. But so when you have friends who help you take care of your garden, you got to give them gifts, and I got two for you.
Two.
So one is da-dum-da-dum. Nobody has this yet.
This is a brand new product?
It's a brand new product.
Tell me about it. Freeze CBD roll-on.
Yeah. It's when you got aching muscles, which I know you have aching muscles.
Yeah.
Or Tom.
After planting 900 asparagus plants.
Yeah. Oh, right.
A little bit achy.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're up.
So this is it's really nice. You roll it on.
cool.
It's got some CBD, so that also helps. And
Yeah.
and I have another gift for you. That this one I know you've really been wanting.
What's this? I'm not sure I trust you.
Watch out!
Watch out. Oh, the stickers.
The stickers. Lynn's my wanting G stickers, so I got her some G stickers.
I saw her suitcase with the stickers on it. I was like, I want stickers for my suitcase, because my suitcase has nothing on it. So
Yeah, man, I don't know how many.
Cool.
I have in my lifetime several times picked up the wrong suitcase or at the airport. I mean, I'm travel a lot. So
everybody should have G stickers.
everybody should have. Well, if
then we can-
everybody had G stickers.
we can identify. Me and you can have G stickers.
All right,
They don't get
They
it.
don't. Okay, yeah.
Cool.
But it
Thank
would
you.
be cool if I ever saw anybody with a G sticker in the airport.
Wouldn't that be
man,
fun?
I'd be all over that.
That'd be
would
so fun.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll decorate my suitcase.
Yeah. You know what I did? I put it. I should show you next week on my phone. I put it on my phone, and it's kind of
Oh yeah.
got it on my phone
be
all
cool.
the time. So
Yeah.
my laptop.
So your garden.
I mean, we're getting to that point where there's really not that much to do, right?
There's not that much to do. The weather forecast for this week is wintry mix, snow, probably some hail, lows in the 30s, and it's just not time to bring the warm weather plants out of the greenhouse.
You totally nailed it. If you remember from last week, Lynn said it could hail this time of year. We've already had 2 hailstorms since she said that.
We get that a lot this
Yeah.
time of year. So my advice is we just hold off one more week and wait for that weather. It's going to break.
Okay.
And then it's going to turn hot. We're going to be like 100 degrees during the day. And we're going to be like, what happened to us?
These people from Colorado think 100 degrees is
It's
hot.
It's so hot. So we're going to wait on the warm weather
Yeah, okay,
stuff.
good.
Yeah, just
well,
one
good.
more
We'll do
week.
that next week.
Yeah.
I'll be back for that.
So I'll come and watch your garden and put the covers on
I
and
super appreciate that.
get it watered for you, and yeah,
That's why I keep giving her gifts.
keep me coming back.
Keep her coming back.
So I think what we should do is go ahead and harvest what you want. You said you wanted to take some stuff with you.
Yeah, I'm going to take some gifts to friends.
Yeah, out of your garden.
Yeah,
That's so
absolutely.
much fun. And then you get to share your experience about your garden.
Yeah,
You tell stories, right?
absolutely.
Okay. All right. Well, let's get.
Well,
our
we'll get to
basket.
harvesting and weighing and be right back.
Okay, Marjorie.
Got the totals?
What you got in the jar?
This is the weed jar. This is like the tip jar, except for Yeah.
Not filling up very
But that's
fast.
pretty cool that, and this totally is good that we got the leaf coverage going over things now. So like no weeds are coming up because it's, it's
We may have 20,000 elm trees. We'll see how that turns out.
I know we did have the elm seeds.
The
But
seeds came in.
yeah.
But I want to mulch again.
Okay.
We get the warm weather plants in. But yeah, that's all the weeds so far.
That's it. That's pretty amazing. What do you think?
Yeah, pretty easy. It's making this garden easy.
That's a good one.
Okay, so while we were picking the Swiss chard, I noticed some bugs.
I know.
Do you have bugs in your garden?
That
means you're organic. Congratulations.
It's extra protein.
Yeah. So we have one in Colorado called leaf miner. I don't know if you have it in Texas. And it's a little bitty fly that lays an egg on the backside of the leaf. Then it hatches out a larvae that lives in between the top and the bottom layer. And it likes spinach, it likes Swiss chard, it likes beets. Those are its favorites.
Mm-hmm.
And so you got to kind of watch for it. There are some beneficial insects that you can release to control them. My favorite control is just anytime I see the leaf with the leaf miner in it, I just harvest those off. And picking every week really, really helps to keep the leaf miner down. So if you got spinach, beets, or chard greens, you just want to keep picking them. Okay. So anyhow, so these ones can go in your compost pile. I feed them to my chickens, or I put them in the trash so that they completely leave the farm. So I'm not spreading that around.
We'll get Tom to do a close-up on those so people can see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll add that in. Yeah. Because other people may have it as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. All right. So our harvest today.
Yeah.
So we picked the lettuce.
Oh my God.
There was 11.7 ounces. Yeah.
A little more than a half a pound.
Yeah. Our kale, there was 6.9 ounces, so almost a half a pound of kale.
Yeah.
And the Swiss chard, there was 4.6 ounces.
Nice.
So you'll have that to take on your trip with you. And I did that too. I travel with greens.
I take my own food with me, because the food out there is dangerous.
It is. You would believe what they put in it.
All right.
Yeah.
I know. Yeah.
So,
like, hard-boiled eggs, they travel so well.
Yep.
Don't carry bananas. I don't ever recommend, I don't grow bananas anyway.
I don't grow here, yeah. So anyhow, yeah, your garden's doing really, really well. And
awesome.
We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks of harvest already.
Yep.
Just out of this little garden, and I will babysit it for you while you're gone.
I super appreciate that. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Yeah.
I'll be here when you get back.
It's probably going to be like a monster overgrown thing. Bookkeeping, banking, and accounting. How much fun. I would rather be here playing in the garden. But
and you never know what might happen to your garden if you're out of town. Because, see, I will be in control. So look out.
Dun, dun, dun. All right. Well, you're going to have to stay tuned next week to find out what trouble this mischievous woman has been up to.
We might have an adventure.
We might have an adventure. This is Marjory Wildcraft and Lynn Gillespie. Catch us next week for Adventures in
Trouble.
in high performance gardening. See you next week.